In this video, Austin will be showing you how to replace a faucet. This customer's faucet had been leaking under their sink for at least a year or more without being aware of it. This has left the cabinets and floor of the kitchen with major water damage. The first thing Austin has to do is get the old faucet detached. In this video, you can see him doing that by cutting out the old faucet line and unscrewing in a couple different places so the entire faucet can be removed completely. Now that the old faucet is out, the new one can be put in. Austin is now laying the gasket inside the base of the faucet and lining it up properly. He then takes the faucet and puts it down inside of the base, then we'll make sure the faucet lines are hooked up correctly underneath. Here he is showing you what the faucet hose looks like before he installs it, along with the sprayer attachment to the faucet. Next, he runs the hose up through the faucet and then properly attaches it underneath the sink. The first nut he shows you is what will hold the faucet to the counter, and the second nut he shows you goes underneath the first one to secure that hold. This type of faucet has a retracting hose so you can pull down the sprayer attachment. This piece is what makes the hose retract back up into the faucet once you're done using it. There is a piece of yellow tape on the hose that shows you exactly where to place it. Installing that in the correct spot will ensure you that it will retract correctly. This is what it's looking like so far. The supply lines still need to be reattached. These are the tools that Austin is going to use to make sure that the straight stops are on and secured. These tools aren't mandatory to do this, but they do help tremendously. The first step of putting on new straight stops is using sealant around the threads. You can see here that he is screwing on the new straight stops to the supply line and then goes in to tighten them to make sure that they're secure. Now that both of the new straight stops have been installed, the faucet installation is finished. And here is the new faucet in action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a like and subscribe for more.